not focusing. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be vlogging for you, but we're going to do it on my fancy cam. I look really kind of crazy right now because I'm doing my hair. I'm going to do my bed, and today we have a lot of fun stuff. So today I got off, which is so nice when you get a weekend off, especially when you work, because that just doesn't happen as often as you'd like it to. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of today, make it a mental health, self-love kind of day, and we're going to do stuff that just makes us happy, and I'm going to make it fall themed. And yeah, so let me go ahead and do my hair. Okay, so right now we gotta clean the room, so that's what we're gonna start. This is my outfit of the day. Love Shack fancy, like sheer long sleeve. I don't know how to describe it. It's from like their old line, wearing it with this white tank top underneath, and then a Love Shack fancy inspired skirt. So that is the outfit. I just put my hair up because I was gonna start cleaning the room, but honestly I want to show you that I got my hair done yesterday, and now she's more blonde and I like it. It's nice. But nonetheless, we should put my hair up because I'm gonna clean my room, and then we're gonna get out fall decor, and you guys are gonna decorate with me. And look at this. I got these cool pumpkins the other day at Marshall's, so we can decorate. That's gonna be a fun time. So this is like cute garlands, but I have a whole bin of Halloween decor that I'm gonna take out, and then we're gonna decorate, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. And take out the bin of fall decor, so let's go do that. And yeah, like I said, I don't have a vlog camera yet, but when I do, my vlogs are gonna be even more iconic. But until then, hopefully this is good. So I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Oh my gosh, I really tangled this. It's a ghost light. Isn't this cool? Kind of reminds me of the Snapchat filter, but like with pizzazz. Okay, here's the light. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, look at it. You just like hang it up on the wall. I just thought this was so cool. I saw this one year at Target, and I was like, okay, when I have a coffee bar station in a place when I move out eventually, this would look so cool over the what's it called, the coffee bar cart. Coffee bar cart? I don't know. But like, oh, so cute. Anyways, oh, also, this thing blinks. Watch. Wait, this would be cool to put in my window on Halloween though.
Like so it could scare people.
It's so hard to vlog, but the show must go on. Okay, so I have beautifully displayed all my Halloween decor on my bed. I'm just kidding. I still have some in here. We're gonna ignore that. Anyways, my job today is to get all of this out, displayed beautifully in the room, and then I'm gonna show you a little quick Halloween room tour. And then we're gonna go ahead and make some chocolate covered strawberries. this part. But I want to play around with it, and then I'm going to give you guys a reveal of when the whole room is done. But this is what I'm working with, so send prayers. Look what happened when I was decorating. It was my favorite vintage plate. And now I can't have it. I also... Oh my god, did I cut myself? I don't know. Okay, so I vacuumed the broken plate. And this is where we're at now. I emptied all of this so I could start decorating. And then this is what I have so far. This is not gonna stay. That stuff also. Rest in peace. Rest in peace to my favorite plate. Because I want to make some chocolate covered strawberries. I didn't bring a scrunchie. Luckily there's one in here. So I saw Allie's video and I saw she made white chocolate covered strawberries and they look amazing. So I was like, I'm gonna make some. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, I'm just putting my hair up. Okay. So I was gonna make them all like aesthetic because that's what we live for. So I got this vintage tray that I'm gonna put the strawberries on. Got some cute little sprinkles, white chocolate, and strawberries that are washed. Oh shoot, it's leaking. Now, okay. So it says to melt these for 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's put them on. Let's get some wax paper. That's beautiful. Okay. I just thought I'd show you this cute little Halloween mug. It's literally my favorite. I got it at TJ Maxx like 2 years ago, and I swear, if this breaks, I'm gonna be really, really sad. So I already had my plate break today and we don't want anything else to break. Melted. Ooh, it's getting like chocolatey, guys. Look at it. Just getting some chocolatey. Okay. The stem broke. You can't have any. So now I have my chocolate covered strawberries. It's like sunset hour. And I'm gonna enjoy some. I'm gonna go ask my brother if he wants some strawberries. Try one of my strawberries I made you. Aren't they pretty? Good? Mm-hmm. Dude, are they actually good though? Mm-hmm. Do you like these better or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate, but these are cool too.
I know, I think I should have done both.